Dr. Richa Biswal.
Yes, I'm present.
Amain. Dr. Richa
May I present now?
Biswal, uh, the integration of tradition and rest of Valentine's Day. This paper, I think it is very interesting. We are all excited to listen you. Dr. Risa Krishna, please present your paper.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. The title of my paper is The Integration of Tradition and Modernity, a study of Valentine Day Sandeshah by This paper critically examines Valentine Day Sandeshah, a modern Sanskrit poetic work composed by Professor Banmali Biswal. The study explores how a culturally Western celebration such as Valentine's Day is assimilated into the classical framework of Sanskrit poetics. Through an analysis of Shringar Ras, poetic devices, imagery, and thematic structure, the paper argues that the work demonstrates the adaptability of Sanskrit as a living literary language capable of engaging with modern global culture. Sanskrit literature and modernity. Sanskrit literature has traditionally been associated with classical themes such as love, devotion, heroism, and nature. These themes are expressed through a refined aesthetic system governed by rasa, dhwani, alankar, and chand. However, an important question arises: can Sanskrit effectively engage with modern cultural phenomena? Professor Banmali Biswal's Valentine Day Sandeshah provides an innovative answer to this question by introducing a modern global festival into the classical Sanskrit poetic tradition. Tradition in Sanskrit poetics. The theoretical foundation of Sanskrit poetics is rooted in the concept of rasa, which Bharat describes as the soul of poetry in the Natya Shastra. Among all rasas, Shringar occupies the central position and is often described as the king of rasas. Traditionally, Shringar is divided into two parts: Sanyog, that is love in union, and Vipralamb, that is love in separation. Classical poets often expressed romantic emotion through nature, imagery, divine love narratives, and symbolic metaphors. Valentine's Day in cultural context. Valentine's Day is celebrated on 14th February and it symbolizes romantic affection and emotional expression in modern global culture. In India, it is often viewed as a Western cultural import associated with youth and urban society. In Valentine's Day Sandeshah, Professor Biswal does not merely adopt this festival but reinterprets it through the framework of Sanskrit aesthetics and philosophical thought. Now, coming to the text, I will start with the opening words. The opening verses पुरा ये प्रियतमे आसंस्तस्य वसंत ऋतोः दूताः अद्य त्वे प्रचारयन्ति गृहे गृहे Valentine वार्ता. In this verse, the poet addresses the beloved as Priyatame, which immediately establishes the emotional framework of Shringar Rasa. The verse also connects Valentine's Day with the classical tradition of Vasant, that is spring, which has always been considered the season of love in Sanskrit poetry. Now, spring acting as the cultural bridge in the second verse, Ma Prichai Priyatame Madhumasasye Kah Sanketah Agate tu Valentine Dine Swagataya Asti Samudyatah. Here, the poet identifies Valentine's Day with Madhu Mas spring. In classical Sanskrit literature, spring represents romantic awakening and emotional union. By associating Valentine's Day with this season, the poet removes its foreignness and integrates it naturally into the traditional symbolism of Sanskrit poetry. Now, coming to the nature imagery and symbolism, in one of his words, the poet says, "Sarvatra khelati kshetre pitavarnam sarp सरसप कुसुमं वैलेंटाइन दिवसो अद्य आतपो अप्यस्ति नाति शीतोष्णः. This imagery of yellow mustard blossom evokes the atmosphere of Vasant, the classical season of love. The words suggest that emotional warmth replaces the dryness of existence. Through this pastoral imagery, Valentine's Day is transformed into a poetic celebration of romantic renewal rather than a commercial festival. Then, coming to the emotional intensity that is shown in the words, Priyatame, Hridayam te payohimam kinchit, aham asmi jwalamukhi kaschid davanalah. In this verse, the speaker compares himself to a volcano and forest fire, which are classical metaphors used in Sanskrit poetry to express emotional intensity. The imagery suggests that love is not superficial but deeply passionate and transformative. The poet thus elevates modern romantic emotion into the realm of classical poetic passion. Love acting as spiritual fulfillment. In his words, Atya Priye Valentine Dinam Rahasi Prapnomi Yadi Tab Sahacharyam Jeshyamidam Jagattrayam Vyartham Asye Nirvanam Tam Purushartham Shreshtham. This verse suggests that the companionship of the beloved surpasses all worldly achievements. The poet presents romantic union as a form of spiritual fulfillment, reflecting the Indian philosophical belief that emotional relationships are more meaningful than material success. Now, discussing about the memory and romantic continuity. स्मरामि त्वं प्रतिवर्षं वेलेंटाइन दिने प्रेषयितुं मात्र प्रीति संदेशः. The poet expresses that he remembers the beloved every year on Valentine's Day. The annual recurrence of the festival becomes a poetic symbol of persistent longing and emotional continuity. Now coming to the universal nature of love, प्रेम एव भवत्रयं स्वस्य चाभिज्ञानं न प्रेम्णो अस्ति काचित् जाति कश्चिदर्थ धर्मः. In this verse, the poet asserts that love transcends social boundaries such as caste, religion, nationality, and time. Love becomes the true identity of the self and a universal human experience. Now, the integration of tradition and modernity. The poem integrates tradition and modernity at several levels. Thematically, a modern festival is interpreted through the classical aesthetics of Shringara Rasa. Structurally, the poem follows traditional poetic conventions. Linguistically, the Sanskritized form Valentine demonstrates the flexibility of the language in absorbing modern cultural elements. Now, coming to the conclusion, Valentine Day Sandeshah demonstrates that Sanskrit literature is capable of engaging meaningfully with contemporary cultural phenomena by reinterpreting Valentine's Day through the aesthetic framework of Shringar Rasa. Professor Banmali Biswal successfully integrates modern global culture with classical Sanskrit tradition. The poems ultimately shows that Sanskrit remains a dynamic and living literary language capable of expressing modern human experiences. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Richard Mishra. The paper was so interesting. Once again, thank you for your creativity in your paper. It is likely to be published.
Thank you.